Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share a Microsoft Office to-do list with another account on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's go to office.com, enter, wait for that to load, make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to do. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I am also signed into the admin account that was created in the previous tutorials. If you would like to see how that is done, you can pause this video, go to that video, and then come back to this video. So let's now decrease the size of the Safari web browser and then take Google Chrome, move that to the same desktop so we can then work with both accounts simultaneously. So let's now go to do within the admin account. So go back to my personal account, click on Computer Science Videos, video idea, share, create an invitation link. And now this needs to be sent via email. Let's now copy the link. We can go to email if we wish to, and quickly send this to admin. Send the email. Let's now minimize Safari for the moment, increase the size of Google Chrome. Let's now go back to office.com, go to Outlook. Click on the email that we have received, which will give us access to that to-do list itself. So sign in to join list. Sign into your account. Join the list. Open the list. Getting the list ready. Microsoft Office is now getting the list ready for me, and there we go. This is all from the admin account. So we can now decrease the size of Google Chrome, go back to Safari, go back to do, and now we can see that myself and the admin both have access to this list. So if I were to add an idea to the video list, we can just say how to update your video thumbnail, enter, go back to Chrome, reload the page, and there we go. The changes have now been made. So we can now quit Google Chrome, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.